Hi guys, Hostinger now offer a website builder, something that been missing from this affordable provider for a while. Naturally, the question arises: Hostinger website builder any good compared to other? Let's dive in with my Hostinger website builder review. Before we get started, I have left the best discount deal in the description below. Is it easy to use? Unlike most website builders with Hostinger, you are buying a hosting plan that including the builder. This is a great deal while platform like Squarespace sell plan for just one site. Hostinger builder lets you create up to 100 website with a single affordable plan. However, this means there are no try before you buy option. You pay upfront, but there are 30-day money back guarantee, and the plan are some of the most affordable in the industry. We will talk pricing later. Another setting up my account, I choose Hostinger website builder. The builder of offer over 100 unique login templates. While some start to look similar, many are modern and flashy with no premium locked option. You can use any template. The editor. Now let's look at how to build a website with Hostinger. The editor is simple and no code, quite a different from the tool heavy editor like Wix. I have set it the minimalistic design. Editing element is easy, just drag them from the tab. Although there are not many element to choose from their image for the most website. I love how you can add image from free library on your phone quickly. A future beginner well appreciated is the grid system. It's split the design into squares, speeding up the process by eliminating the need to move element pixel by pixel. While I wish there were more animation and style setting, I am happy with what's available. Pricing. Now for the fun part, pricing. Hostinger is one of the best value providers since you are buying hosting, not just a website builder. It's super cheap. The first plan is under $2 a month, allowing you to build one website with free SSL and weekly backup, cheaper than Wix or Squarespace. The true value throw lies on the premier plan. For under $3 a month, you get more storage, no bandwidth limit, or a free and domain and up to 100 websites. That are probably the best deal out there. Specifically with our discount link below, stranger renewal rate are also consumer friendly with pricing doubling instead of skyrocketing. E-commerce. Hostinger website builder is great for personal project, but how about e-commerce? While it cannot compare to Shopify, it's perfect for small business. The simplicity of the builder is a plus for those just by wanting to sell a few items online. Managing inventory and editing a product is smooth and quick with only basic info required. Performance. Performance is a crucial specifically for online shop. If your site loads slowly, you will all lose customer. Google recommended load time under 2.5 seconds. Our Stranger website builder is light and fast with a load time of 1.8 seconds, better than 99% of builder I have reviewed and within a Google recommended time frame. Blogging. Hostinger shine for business site and portfolio, but not as a much of blogging. You get basic tool to create a decent blog, but it's like the advanced feature of platform like WordPress. Plus, you have to build each post as separate page, which can be tedious. AI tool. Hostinger web builder offer a few AI tools to help you get started. An AI logo generated, AI written here, and heat map feature can assist in managing your website. While not groundbreaking, these tools are helpful for beginners. Conclusion. If you are looking for a lightweight and effective website builder, Hostinger might be the answer. It's the cheapest premier web builder on the market with above standard performance and plenty of resources. I highly recommend it giving Hostinger a try.